Hello, fellow travelers. Greece is calling. Get ready for an adventure. Explore ancient ruins, relax on sunny beaches, experience warm Greek hospitality. Greece is a land of contrasts. Ancient history meets modern life. Bustling cities give way to quiet islands. Everywhere you go, you'll find delicious food and friendly people. Are you ready for an unforgettable journey? Let's discover Greece together. Pack your bags, grab your sunglasses, and let's go. Greece is a historian's dream. Step back in time. Imagine the stories these ruins could tell. Ancient Greece comes alive. Start in Athens, visit the Acropolis, see the Parthenon, a temple dedicated to Athena, explore the ancient Agora, once a bustling marketplace. Next, journey to Delphi. This was once considered the center of the world. See the Temple of Apollo. This is where the oracle delivered prophecies. Don't miss Olympia. This is the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Imagine the athletes competing centuries ago. You can almost hear the crowds cheering. Greece is more than just ancient history. Discover stunning landscapes. Explore picturesque islands. Find your own piece of paradise. Santorini is a must-see. Admire the whitewashed houses. They cling to volcanic cliffs. Watch a breathtaking sunset over the Aegean Sea. Crete is the largest Greek island. Hike through the Samaria Gorge. Relax on Elafonisi Beach with its pink sands. Discover hidden coves and turquoise waters. Looking for adventure? Go island hopping. Each island has its own charm. Mykonos offers vibrant nightlife. Rhodes boasts medieval history. The choices are endless. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Greek food is fresh and flavorful. Savor the taste of the Mediterranean. Every bite is a celebration. Start your day with a Greek yogurt and honey. For lunch, try a refreshing Greek salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese. Drizzled with olive oil, of course. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Greek taverna. Order moussaka, a layered eggplant dish. Try souvlaki, grilled meat skewers. Don't forget the pita bread. Looking for something sweet? Indulge in baklava. This pastry is filled with nuts and honey. It's the perfect way to end your Greek feast. Subscribe for more travel videos and never miss an adventure.